Hi, what's up, guys? My name is Dre Black Digital, and I'm going to talk to you guys about multiple income funnel and give you guys my quick, brief overview. So if you want more information, just click the link in the description. So what is multiple income funnel? It is an automated marketing system created by a successful entrepreneur named Mack Mills, and it was designed to promote multiple business opportunities all at once at the same time with little to no work and running on an automated system. So how does this program actually work? Mac teaches you in the back end how to send traffic to these offers multiple different ways so you can make money. So you'll promote one of three of these provided lead pages to capture the name and emails of prospects that can buy the offer. So this allows for people with zero experience that don't know how to code, do not know how to create a website, do not know how to send out emails, do email marketing, or has no idea about affiliate marketing at all. It allows for those kind of people to go ahead and get started with making money online right away and fast and without doing a lot of work. So once you've sent traffic to those websites that was shown on a previous slide, those leads are collected and sent into an autoresponder that multiple income funnel completes on a back end. So those prospects are then captured and sent to a VSL, a video sales letter, to learn more about the offer. And then from there, you're literally just sending traffic to those funnels to capture those leads to start that process. Once you start that process, you'll start to see your commissions come in because multiple income funnel does everything else on the back end. All you have to do is pay for the traffic. You send the traffic to those capture pages and they close out the sale for you, allowing you to make multiple different incomes from different income streams and different income levels. So why join this program? Why get started? This program is designed to create multiple streams of income for you. And it's designed to be automated to help people with little to no experience get started with online business and online making money. Mac used this multiple six-figure income system for the past 20 years and allowed him to live a very lavish life, to do what he wants, work where he wants, and when he wants. So with this system, Mac really focuses on just driving traffic to those websites that he provides you. So you don't have to create the website. All you have to do is send traffic to it. The traffic you're sending to it, he teaches you in the program. So you're literally getting a done for you system. So if you want to learn more about this program, you can click the link in the description. But if you stay tuned, I'm going to go ahead for a bonus and show you the back end of this program. So this is the back office where the multiple income funnel. They got simple steps for you to follow once you get started. Once you finish those steps, your whole online business is completely set up for you. You don't really have to do anything else besides watch your commission grow, watch your bank account grow. So step 2 allows you to set up your different income streams. Once you join the program, you'll see what those income streams are. Step 3, you set up your e-wallet so you can get paid your commissions straight to your bank account. Taxes, everything are done for you. Step 4 is the back office tour. Mac personally walks you through the back office to show you where to find your website, how to send your traffic, where to buy your traffic, where to find your commission, and different resources and stuff like that. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to talk about the Facebook group. Once you join the Facebook group, which is the first step, you're pretty much put into a complete community full of entrepreneurs and business owners who are running the same system and generating thousands of dollars every day. Join the program, join the group. You'll see testimonials and screenshots of everybody just making money from the system. So if you want to learn more about multiple income funnel, I advise you to click the link below to get started, to learn more.